In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an appendix to a Word document. If you've ever wondered how to properly format and include an appendix in your document, you're in the right place. Let's begin by preparing your appendix content. To start, position your cursor at the end of your main document right where you want the appendix to begin. This placement is critical for ensuring a seamless transition into the additional material. Next, navigate to the Layout tab, or it might be labeled as Page Layout if you're using an older version of Word. Once there, locate the Breaks option and select Next Page under the Section Breaks menu. This step guarantees that your appendix starts on a fresh new page, maintaining the neatness and professionalism of your document. Now let's focus on adding a heading to your appendix. On this new page, type your heading. It could be something like Appendix A, Survey Data. Ensure that this heading is formatted using the Heading 1 style. By doing so, any tables of contents you generate will automatically integrate this section, allowing for easy navigation and reference throughout your document. Moving on to the meat of the appendix, it's time to insert your content. You can simply paste in or type out any charts, tables, images, or additional text underneath your newly created heading. If your document requires more than one appendix, repeat the previous steps for each additional section, including setting each section apart with the appropriate heading and section break. An essential part of including appendices is labeling any figures or tables that you incorporate. For tables, click on the table, then head to the References tab and select Insert Caption. Choose Table from the options and then click OK. Do the same for any images, but select Figure instead. As you add your captions, ensure they clearly indicate their position in your appendices, such as Appendix A or Appendix B, to maintain consistency and clarity. Finally, updating your table of contents can be a helpful step if you've added appendix headings that need to be included automatically. Go to the References tab and select Table of Contents and then choose Update Table. Opt for Update Entire Table to ensure your appendix headings are included, helping readers navigate your document efficiently. Once you have made all your additions, review the document to confirm that page numbers, headings, and captions are consistent throughout. Double-check the formatting to ensure it aligns perfectly with the other sections of your document, presenting a professional finished product. By following these steps, your document should now have a well-organized and easily navigable appendix section ready to convey additional information to your audience effectively.